This is Desalright. Don't commence any building project if you've not taken care of these major things I'll list out for you in Delta State. After consulting your real estate consultant to purchase your land, your property, you get an architect to design what you have in mind. Once you are done with these two stages, the next you do is you consult your town planning consultant. If the property is a government property, you go to Urban and Regional Planning Board to get your approval. Or if it's a community land, you go to Ministry of Urban Renewal, Town Planning Department to get your approval. Once you're done with this, the next stage before commencing development on your property, you have to pay your developmental fee. You pay your developmental fee to the community.